If one were to redistribute the world's wealth equally, disparities would inevitably re-emerge, with some accumulating wealth while others remain impoverished. Businessman and author Robert Kiyosaki frequently highlighted this financial paradox. Many individuals, he argued, fail to develop wealth-building skills, instead remaining trapped in a cycle of work, home, and work again, a pattern he identified as a contributor to poverty. How can one overcome this and achieve financial success? Kiyosaki advocates for adhering to several key principles, which will be discussed in this video. Welcome to the main channel on money. If you aspire to wealth, subscribe now. Kiyosaki repeatedly emphasizes, if you don't have a plan to become rich, then you have a plan to become poor. This statement reflects a powerful truth. Many believe themselves financially independent when they are not. We all operate according to a plan. We wake at employer-dictated times, commute via established routes, and adhere to prescribed lunch breaks. This system, Kiyosaki asserts, benefits governments and corporations, programming individuals to enrich others. However, billionaires often defy conventional wisdom, challenging financial norms and attracting wealth through unconventional thinking, rather than through mere financial appeasement. The following principles, derived from Robert Kiyosaki's teachings, can help break the cycle of poverty and build wealth. Money demands attention. While seemingly simplistic, this advice is crucial for avoiding poverty. Personal finance literature underscores the importance of ensuring expenses do not exceed income. Budgeting is key. Observing the cumulative cost of seemingly small expenditures, such as daily coffee, reveals how minor adjustments can significantly impact finances, equivalent to a salary increase. Take the proven path. Monetize your skills. Many possess valuable skills, yet fail to fully leverage them, either prematurely ceasing self-improvement or focusing too narrowly. Continuous intellectual development is essential. Wealthy individuals are often multifaceted, possessing skills and perspectives beyond the ordinary. Neuropsychological research demonstrates that developing diverse skills enhances cognitive flexibility and longevity. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to skill development, even if the application remains unclear. Such investment will eventually prove valuable. Forget the phrase, the day after tomorrow. Procrastination is a common impediment to success. Many live for tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, contemplating wealth attainment without acting. This reflects a brain's resistance to change, preferring the comfort zone. While avoiding chronic stress is vital, initiating progress is paramount. Create a plan, thoughtfully analyze it, and eliminate long-term goals. Prioritize actions under your direct control, schedule them, and commence implementation immediately. These incremental steps will cumulatively yield significant results. Decide what brings you joy. Money follows joy, not the reverse. The pursuit of wealth alone rarely leads to happiness. Engaging in fulfilling work facilitates financial success. A life characterized by disliked employment and strained relationships creates a self-imposed constraint impacting all aspects of life, including finances. Enjoyable work, supportive relationships, and a proactive, opportunity-seeking mindset are crucial for overcoming challenges and fostering innovation. Cushions save lives. One of Kiyosaki's core tenets is, pay yourself first. Debt or income level, allocate funds monthly to an emergency fund. This financial cushion provides security and peace of mind. Regular savings should be viewed as a non-negotiable expense, eventually providing for retirement, vacations, or down payments. While savings accounts offer convenience, low interest rates necessitate exploring investment options, such as business ventures or higher-yield financial instruments, to mitigate inflation's impact. Key money wisdom: poor people work for money, rich people make money work for them. This central tenet from Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad distinguishes wealth from poverty and underscores the importance of financial freedom. While external factors such as prices and economic conditions are beyond control, personal choices, such as avoiding impulsive purchases and preparing for economic downturns, are within one's power. Change is possible. Nothing can prevent you from transforming your life and achieving substantial wealth. This concludes the presentation. Subscribe to the main channel on money and embark on your journey to financial success.